So this week has been buzzing with some massive developments in the world of AI. It feels like the excitement around AI is just ramping up, and it's getting more intense by the minute. Let's jump into a few of the big stories. First up, Microsoft has unveiled a new AI-powered PC known as the Copilot PC, but it's not without its share of privacy concerns, stirring up quite the debate. Meanwhile, over at OpenAI, the atmosphere is charged with a bit of drama following legal issues involving Scarlett Johansson and the surprising departures of Ilya Sutskever and Yarn Laika. And finally, JPMorgan is setting the stage for a seismic shift across industries. Stay tuned to learn how their AI initiative could revolutionize the workforce. So, what do these latest news stories mean for the AI landscape, and how might they affect us as users and enthusiasts of this technology? Let's peel back the layers and explore the implications of these developments. So, just a couple of days ahead of their official Builder Developer Conference, Microsoft spilled some exciting news. They introduced us to their latest innovation, the Copilot PCs. With these new AI PCs, Microsoft is promising to transform our interactions with the digital world by processing many generative AI tasks right on the local device, instead of over the cloud. We'll talk about these tasks in a moment, but first, let's discuss the technical aspects of the Copilot PC. Equipped with a robust combination of CPU, GPU, and a brand new high-performance neural processing unit, or NPU, these Copilot PCs are crafted to deliver an unparalleled AI experience directly from your desktop. Each Copilot PC must have a minimum of 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. This setup enables the system to perform 40 trillion operations per second, which ensures the handling of demanding AI tasks. During the announcement, Microsoft revealed that Copilot PCs achieve speeds 58% faster than the MacBook Air equipped with the M3 chip. These AI PCs can run multiple small multimodal language models locally, supporting innovative features like the new standalone Copilot app, which promises to revolutionize the way you interact with your computer. On the hardware front, Microsoft has introduced sleek new Surface models. These devices feature slimmer bezels and come in 13.8-inch and 15-inch sizes, delivering performance that's over 86% faster than older Surface models. The 15-inch model isn't just quick, it's also power efficient, running for up to 22 hours on a single charge. On the software side, Windows 11 has undergone a complete overhaul to fully leverage the new AI and ARM-based architecture. ARM stands for Advanced RISC Machine, and RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. So PCs with ARM processors are designed to have low power consumption and high computational performance. So imagine the capabilities of an AI-powered, ARM-based computer. Let's explore a few of them. The standout features of the Copilot PCs include an upgraded recall function, which is like a turbocharged search engine for your digital activities. The PC also includes a revamped Copilot app and the integration of Co-Creator into Microsoft Paint, which opens up new avenues for creativity. Another feature is the live captions that can now translate dozens of languages in real time, making every video universally understandable. And finally, the new Super Resolution feature in Windows Photos truly transforms and breathes new life into your old pictures. So truly, the Copilot PCs are more than just another tech release. They aim to redefine how we interact with our devices, which now serve not only as tools, but as genuine partners in our digital exploration. Brace yourself. These devices are scheduled to be available from June 18th, starting at $999. This marks the dawn of a new era in computing that promises to be more intuitive, powerful, and accessible than ever before. Now, on the darker side, the unveiling of Microsoft's Copilot PCs has sparked some significant concerns, particularly regarding the recall feature. This feature is engineered to function as a digital photographic memory, capturing screen snapshots every few seconds to help users navigate their digital history more easily. However, this feature's constant monitoring has led to significant privacy alarms. Security experts have criticized recall for its potential to inadvertently capture and expose sensitive and personal financial information. Some experts even stated that this feature resembles spyware due to its pervasive nature and raises fears about the unintended consequences of such constant surveillance. Despite Microsoft's assurances that the data is encrypted and stored locally, the risk of exposure remains a serious concern. Furthermore, the lack of content moderation capabilities within Recall means it does not automatically obscure sensitive information, like passwords or financial details. Kevin Beaumont, a security researcher and former senior threat intelligence analyst at Microsoft, commented on social media, saying, "Thanks, Microsoft, for your service to enabling malicious hackers," suggesting that Recall could pave the way for malware that exploits the data it collects. Meanwhile, cybersecurity giant Malwarebytes also commented on the controversy, highlighting the feature's risk by stating that built-in keylogger is a hell of a feature, and questioned the trade-off between privacy and AI functionality. These critiques, especially that they are coming from cybersecurity experts, underscore the need for stronger privacy protections and perhaps a rethinking of how such features should be integrated, with an emphasis on making them opt-in to respect user consent and align with best security practices. Now, moving on to the next topic for today, the chaos and turmoil at OpenAI. Let's start by the issue with Scarlett Johansson, who threatened legal action against OpenAI for allegedly copying and imitating her voice without her consent. OpenAI had asked her to be one of the voices called Sky for its newest AI system, but she declined. Despite her refusal, OpenAI apparently proceeded to create a voice that sounded quite similar to hers, leading to her legal challenge. Johansson's legal counsel demanded details about the process by which OpenAI developed the Sky voice. Although OpenAI dropped the voice, the specter of litigation looms over the company, which has faced other legal issues related to AI voice cloning and its implications, especially in Hollywood. Voice cloning technology, especially in Hollywood, has raised significant concerns over privacy and misuse. The technology's ability to create nearly indistinguishable voice replicas raises the risk of voice-based scams and impersonations, blurring the lines between authenticity and deception. This erosion of trust is also aggravated by challenges in copyright and authorship that generative AI brings to the forefront. Up until today, and only in the US, at least 16 lawsuits have addressed the unlicensed use of copyrighted works to train AI models, with ongoing debates about the copyright eligibility of AI-generated content. So the legal dispute involving Scarlett Johansson and OpenAI underscores a growing dispute between creators and tech companies, which often utilize vast amounts of copyrighted data without proper authorization or compensation. This conflict is particularly critical for actors whose voices are replicated by AI without their consent. In response, the Screen Actors Guild, American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, or SAG-AFTRA, is pushing for a federal right of publicity law, aiming to protect individuals from unauthorized AI-generated voice cloning. However, currently, no federal laws specifically cover the use of AI to mimic someone's voice, leaving a legal gray area. This situation highlights the complicated legal landscape surrounding AI voice cloning in Hollywood, where the protection of privacy, copyright, and ethical standards must be balanced against the rapid advancements in technology. And speaking of ethical concerns and its impact on AI advancements, the recent ousting of Ilya Sutskever and Yarn Laika from OpenAI merits close examination. Sutskever and Laika's departure from OpenAI has stirred considerable discussion around the ethical implications and internal dynamics within the organization. Both Sutskever and Laika were pivotal in steering OpenAI's research and strategic direction, especially in areas like AI safety and ethics. Sutskever, a co-founder and chief scientist, was instrumental in advancing natural language processing models such as GPT, driving forward OpenAI's commitment to developing AI that benefits all of humanity. Laika's work primarily focused on reinforcement learning and aligning AI systems with human values, reinforcing the organization's ethical foundation. However, the reasons for their departure are yet to be publicly disclosed, sparking curiosity and speculation. Could it have been a divergence in vision, a disagreement on the ethical considerations of AI, or a shift in organizational priorities? This ambiguity has fueled ongoing debates within the tech community about the future of ethical AI at OpenAI. Interestingly, this development follows Sam Altman's earlier resignation as CEO, which was reportedly due to differences over the organization's emphasis on commercial success versus its foundational ethical objectives. This shift hints at a possible realignment within OpenAI, potentially prioritizing commercial viability over strict adherence to safety and ethical standards. As the AI field evolves rapidly, striking a balance between innovation, ethical integrity, and commercial pressures is increasingly challenging. The recent departures of Sutskever and Laika from OpenAI underscore a pivotal moment that could significantly influence the future direction of AI development at the organization. Following the exit of these key figures, OpenAI might pivot more towards commercial viability, emphasizing practical applications and business-oriented AI solutions while maintaining a commitment to ethical AI. This commitment is expected to manifest in intensified efforts to enhance transparency, fairness, and safety, addressing biases, and improving interpretability and accountability mechanisms in AI systems. And quite honestly, without Sutskever and Laika, this commitment seems to be challenging at the moment. Furthermore, investors and stakeholders will closely monitor OpenAI's strategic moves, looking for assurances that ethical standards are upheld even as new commercial strategies are pursued. Meanwhile, the AI research community and developers will also observe whether OpenAI continues to support cutting-edge research and provide tools that align with ethical principles. Competitors may see an opportunity in OpenAI's leadership changes to attract talent and forge research collaborations, potentially gaining a competitive edge in the AI market. So ethical leadership remains crucial in ensuring AI's impact on society is beneficial, prioritizing safety, fairness, and transparency to prevent AI from perpetuating biases, exacerbating inequalities, or compromising privacy. As OpenAI navigates these changes, it will likely remain at the forefront of AI innovation, with a greater focus on collaboration with industry partners, increased regulatory engagement, and initiatives to make AI more accessible. Moving forward, cultivating an ethical culture among AI practitioners through training, workshops, and conferences focused on responsible AI development will be essential, not just within OpenAI, but also throughout all AI big techs like Google and Microsoft. Engaging a wide range of stakeholders in dialogue to ensure decisions reflect diverse perspectives and supporting the development of thoughtful AI regulations that provide necessary safeguards will also be crucial. As we continue to champion innovation, vigilantly protecting ethical standards and human values will determine whether AI can be a force for good or a source for potential harm. Now, wrapping up today's roundup, let's discuss JPMorgan's forward-thinking initiative, comprehensive AI training for every new banking employee. This initiative is designed to prepare their team for the seismic shifts AI is expected to bring in the financial sector, shifts that CEO Jamie Dimon compares to the monumental impacts of the printing press and the steam engine. JPMorgan's training program is crafted to weave AI proficiency throughout its operations. Every new hire steps into an immersive prompt engineering training, focusing on the practical applications of AI technologies to streamline operations and enhance service delivery. So JPMorgan aims to integrate AI into the daily workflow, from asset management to customer interactions. Mary Erdos, head of the Asset and Wealth Management Unit, points out how AI training helps employees leverage technology to boost efficiency and revenue growth, whether it's speeding up data retrieval during client calls or cutting down the hours spent on repetitive tasks. But the initiative goes beyond operational efficiency. JPMorgan aims to prepare its workforce for a future where AI tools are as fundamental as computers are today. The program is designed not only to enhance immediate productivity, but also to foster long-term revenue growth through better-informed investment decisions and strategic insights. Reflecting on the broader impact, JPMorgan's approach could set a trend across the financial sector and beyond. As AI reshapes banking, enhancing customer service, fraud detection, and more, it also promises to influence sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, and education. However, the introduction of AI in such a pervasive manner also prompts a critical dialogue about the future of employment and the necessary evolution of job roles within these industries. So JPMorgan's initiative underscores the necessity of AI literacy in today's workforce, ensuring employees are not only capable of using these technologies, but are also prepared for the ethical considerations they bring. This literacy empowers employees to work alongside AI, leveraging its capabilities to enhance their roles rather than replace them. This initiative, which blends AI training into the very blueprint of the workforce development, sets a compelling example for others to follow. This strategic embrace of AI speaks to a broader vision, one where innovation is balanced with an informed, ethical, and adaptive workforce ready to meet the future. The success of such initiatives will largely define the competitive landscape in finance and other industries, marking a significant shift in how businesses integrate technology with human expertise. So, this concludes our exploration for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI breakthroughs and news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.